Godox iA32 manual flash, no TTL, extremely cheap. I just needed a flash quickly for an event and $50 or €50, and there we go. What's inside? Weird things, booklet, nice bag, and there we go. It's the flash unit. Come on, get out. Retro design. You can change the angle, which is very nice. 90-degree, point it upwards or point it towards the subject, or even 7 degrees lower, which means you can point it a little bit down. Perfect. It operates with the standard battery, so that's cheap and nice. You can put rechargeable batteries. The manual flash, that means no TTL. You can see just a single pin in here, no options for measuring or anything. It just put fire. And on the camera, on hot shoe for the flash, you see this is where this pin goes. All of the rest are for TTL flash units, and this one is not. Let's put it on, let's power it up, and let's see what's going to happen. So turn on the flash, right? Red light means it's taking the charge, green it's ready, make a test. Whoa, that works. Couple of options here. Now if you hold this mod button, option number 1, automatic. Now here you can change the ISO and F settings. Again, click mode, up and down. You can see this is the power of the flash. So I think by higher ISO they mean also bigger distance, because when I go up the distance is changing. No, yeah, actually it does. Clicking mode again is changing the aperture. F, holding mode is gonna bring you to the manual control again. I quite like this small LCD like the old film cameras. Now in the manual mode you can adjust the power in small steps or increments, or hold the button and go big. You see 16, 32, hold it more, 1 out of 1. So there's the full power, half power, 1/4, 1/8, 16, and then small and big clicks. If you hold the button, you have the big change. Oh, I like that. Another interesting discovery, it has MS1 and MS2 modes, and here I can just assume that this thing is due to the fact that you have an optical sensor here at the front and you have this one here. So maybe the slave one would be if you put a remote trigger and you have the main flash here and this unit goes somewhere else, and maybe you can remotely fire it up and it will go. Also, there's an option of a cable, which might be another option for remote cable triggering the flash. I mean, for this cheap of a flash to be able to act as a slave flash, that's great. Okay, let's see what we got on the camera menu. This is an old X-T3 Fujifilm. I'll go to the flash settings, and we got in only manual. You can see no TTL because this is not a TTL. Only the sync option is available. Angle, apparently you adjust manually on the top by rotating this switch here. It's not gonna do anything. In the sync you have only first curtain, second curtain, that's all. No options from the camera itself. Let's have a sample picture. Okay, I think it's nice.